Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many Clash of Clans fans dream of playing their favorite game on the go, beyond just their phone. The Steam Deck offers that portable power, but Clash of Clans isn't directly supported. This guide will show you exactly how to overcome that in 2025. We will cover everything from setting up your device to installing the game and optimizing its performance. Prepare to bring your village battles to the expansive screen of your Steam Deck. Before diving into the installation, let's get your Steam Deck ready. First, power it on and navigate to desktop mode through the Steam menu. This is essential for installing third-party applications. Next, confirm you have ample free storage, ideally 5 GB or more, to accommodate both the Android emulator and the Clash of Clans game. Finally, a stable internet connection is crucial for downloading all the required files smoothly and efficiently. With your Steam Deck prepared, the next step involves installing a robust Android emulator. Popular choices like Droid or Anbox work exceptionally well for this purpose. Head over to the Discover Software Center, located in desktop mode, and search for your chosen emulator. Installing it as a flat pack ensures compatibility and ease of updates. Simply click Install and let the system handle the process, providing a virtual Android environment for your games. Now, let's get Clash of Clans itself. First, you will need the game's APK file. Always download this from a highly trusted, reputable source to avoid security issues. Once downloaded, launch your Android emulator from desktop mode. Within the emulator, navigate to its built-in file manager, then locate and select your downloaded Clash of Clans APK. Proceed with the installation inside the emulator, mirroring the process you would use on any standard Android phone or tablet. To ensure the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. Adjust display resolution and performance options to balance visuals and frame rate effectively for the Steam Deck. Crucially, use Steam Input to map the deck's physical buttons, joysticks, and trackpads to the game's touch controls. This transforms Clash of Clans into a genuinely console-like experience. Now, dive into your village, engage in epic battles, and enjoy Clash of Clans with unparalleled comfort and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.